Hello everyone. I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process interesting and fun-filled for the students. The chapter that I am going to cover is Let's Speak of Class 1. It is from the UP board. The number of the chapter is 2. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is theme-based attendance. The innovation is that through the idea theme-based attendance, we transform the duration of attendance into a learning process, because most of the time this duration is considered to be unproductive. The students, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, yes sir, yes ma'am, say a certain word from the theme selected for the day. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today, we are going to cover the alphabet letters from A to Z by implementing theme-based attendance. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the lesson, let's speak, have already been done. The educator needs to give the following instructions to the students. Observe the board carefully. Today, we will do the attendance to memorize the alphabet through visualization. You will be called according to your roll number. I will call your roll number and give a letter. Each student needs to pick that letter from the board and say, for example, roll number 1 Ria, S. Ria will pick that letter from the board and say S for sun. Roll number 2 Priya, G. Priya will pick up the letter G from the board and say G for goat. The same process will continue until all the students have responded. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter Let's Speak. Respond orally in any language, including sign language, to comprehension questions related to the concept being taught. Listen to English words, greetings, polite forms of expressions, simple sentences, and respond in English home language. Talk about self, situations, pictures in English. The following key points need to be noted. The implementation time of this idea can vary depending on the strength of the student in the classroom or their availability in the classroom. The activity ensures the active participation of all the students in the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Core life skills that can be included are self-awareness, decision making, etc. Values that can be touched upon are politeness, using good manners, acting in socially acceptable ways. Thank you. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.